Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this tutorial, you'll learn to create this curved circular plate. And here we will learn to use the Extrude with Intersect operation. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create two circles, one circle with 50 millimeters of diameter and another circle with 150 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, click here in the midpoint, 50 millimeters and another one with 150 millimeters. And now we will create this hole here. It has 15 millimeters of diameter and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. So select the circle again, make a circle here with 15 millimeters of diameter. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 55 millimeters. And now we will use the circular pattern to create the other circles. And here go to create and select the circular pattern. The object, select this circle and the center point, select the midpoint. Distribution here is 8 and press OK. We made this one. And now finish the sketch and go to extrude. We will extrude this 100 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. And now we will select the front plane and we will create this sketch here. Okay. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane. And here press letter P in the keyboard. And the selection filter, select the body, select this body here and press OK. I will hide this body a little bit. And now we will create these two arcs with 150 millimeters of radius and 140 millimeters of radius. So go to create, select the arc and the 3-point arc, click here on this point and this point here, make an arc here and make another one here. And here, let me delete this one, sorry. And here go to constraints and select cocentric. Select this arc and this one. And go to horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here 150 millimeters. And the radius here, 140 millimeters. Make sure that this point here is vertical with this point, okay? And the distance here can be 10 millimeters just to define this sketch. And here we made this profile. Finish the sketch. And go to extrude, select this profile, show the body one. And the operation here will be intersect. And the direction, select the symmetric and move this. 100 millimeters is enough. And press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.